Good morning, I'm Rodrigo Sanchez. I'm the product manager for Construction GET, and I'm going to introduce you to the tooth system, the Ultralok. So the Ultralok system is the construction tooth system of Weir Esco. The reason why we introduced this system is that we made a survey with our customer years ago, asking what kind of features do you want to with the construction tooth system, and they said we don't want to have pins anymore. So what did we do is that we introduced a system with the pin that is integrated into the lock, which is the main innovation compared to the previous tooth system that were 3-piece or 4 pieces tooth system. So Ultralok is a 2-piece system. You have a point and you have an adapter. And so the way you do it is that you use just a pry bar to lock the system. The steel is obviously the best we can do. So they are true hardened with 550 Brinell inside, which means it's going to resist very well to abrasion in every condition. In addition to that, we have very high toughness, which means very good resistance to impact. In addition to that, we have obviously a full range from 20-ton excavator to 70-ton excavators. We have several tooth shapes depending on the application. So if you need penetration, you will use a peak point, and if you have a lot of abrasion, you will use a point with more wear metal. So we have really all shapes for all types of application. In addition to that, we have several types of adapters depending on the machines. We have adapter for loaders, we have adapter for excavators, and we have also a big range of bolt-on adapters for several OEMs, CAT, Case, Komatsu, and so on. So that's really what I wanted to show you. That's the Ultralok Construction Tooth System. Thank you for being here at ConExpo. Thank you for watching us, and see you soon.